Pagkagising, brush, brush, brush. Bago matulog, brush, brush, brush. Brush, 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 shake, shake. When we say flexible learning environment, is a border term that focuses on design and delivery of program, courses, and learning intervention that address learners' unique needs in terms of pace, place, process, and products of learning. For example, flexible learning was used to assess the skill of students towards online learning system, the meeting platform, and learning engagement in the new normal. Online distance learning. Online distance learning is not a new concept. Some schools, higher education institutions in the country, and educational agencies such as the Southeast Asian Education Technology or Semontech. Base sa Semontech, ang online distance learning ay hindi siya inaprubahan o hindi ginawang new concept sa pag-aaral ng isang estudyante. So next is synchronous and asynchronous. In the flexible learning, the activities can be done in two ways. First is synchronous. Course participants meet in a virtual classroom and discuss a topic in the lesson. So synchronous is kanang synchronous. Synchronous, ito yung nagmi-meet kayo uses online platform like Google Meet na live yung pagtuturo ni teacher. Next is asynchronous. This is when question or tasks are posted on course participant answer the question or post their reply or at any most convenient to them. So ito yung yung silbi recorded na yung topic ng guro na ipapakita sa mga estudyante, like YouTube o like asynchronous. This is when question or task posted and course participant answer the question or post their reply at any most convenient to them. So ito yung lesson ni teacher na recorded na pareha sa sa Google Classroom na may pinost siya na task kailangan ma-answeran ng estudyante sa based on deadline. Blended learning is a combination of learning activities wherein part of the lesson is delivered online while the other part is handled in actual physical setting in a classroom. So ito yung lesson na pwede delivered online and other part is pwede siya i-handle sa actual physical setting of a classroom. So depende na yung bata kung ano ang pipiliin niya na learning activities. In blended learning, there are 6 modes of blended learning. First is Model 1, face-to-face driver. Face-to-face driver is the face-to-face model that teacher delivers the curricula most of the time and utilize online learning and certain times with the purpose to augment to or provide an alternative experiences. Instruction is provided in a computer laboratory or assigned tasks are uploaded online. So face-to-face driver so for example as a future educator, so dapat hindi naman lahat ng estudyante mo ay mabilis na catch up ng lesson. Subali magbigay ka ng pagkatapos ng lesson nyo, magbigay ka naman ng video presentation na dapat na panoorin nila at para maintindihan nila ng husto. Next is rotation. In a particular course or subject, students rotate in a phase schedule between learning online in one-to-one, self-paced learning environment and being inside the classroom with a face-to-face teacher. This is the model that is in between the traditional face-to-face learning and online learning. So, trabaho talaga sa teacher, no, lalo na kapag marami yung estudyante, so dapat may fixed schedule. So, for example, yung una mong klase ay 10 to 1. So, i-rotate mo naman yung lesson mo sa iba mong estudyante. Like, may tinuro ka na 10 to 1. So, paghapon, iulit mo naman yung lesson mo sa ibang estudyante. So, next is Model 3, Flex. Flex, the model uses an online platform that delivers most of the course support to learning, and learning is provided as needed through on-site support by an online tutor who facilitates the tutorial. Is small group session can be arranged into synchronous or synchronous. So dito na yung magagamit yung synchronous or asynchronous, no? So dito um, kailangan mong gamitin yung synchronous at asynchronous. So ito na model, no, ay magamit din tayo ng mga online platforms like yung sinabi ko kanina, yung gamit yung teacher ng Google Meet, tapos pindutin lang ng bata yung mga link, so mag-online class na sila. Next model is Model 5, Self-Blend. Self-Blend model is a system provided by the school where the students can choose the courses they would like to have in addition to their typical brick and mortar classroom classes. This model is always a major different from online lab. So dito na model Self-Blend ay magbase na yung estudyante na kung ano ang kukunin niyang learning, kung blended or ano ba ng modular. So dito sa Model 5 Self-Blend ay yung bata na mismo mag-choose kung ano ang gusto niyang learning, anong gusto niyang learning. Online lab uses an online platform in delivering course but located in physical classroom or computer. So magagamit din ng online platform dito sa pag-deliver ng lesson, but located in physical classroom or computer laboratory yung paggawa ng task na ibinigay sa estudyante. So model 5 Self-Blend. So ito yung learning na mismo ang bata na mismo ang estudyante na magpili kung anong gusto niyang learning. So pili ba siya ng blended or online or module ba? So ang bata na magpipili kung anong gusto niya. Next model 6, Online Driver. Online Driver model utilize a platform and a teacher that delivers all curricula. Students remotely works on their program most of the time. So Model 6 Online Driver, so pare-pareha lang sila dito sa Model 1, no? So magbibigay yung teacher ng video recorded ba para mas maintindihan ng bata. Hindi naman lahat ng bata ay mabilis makaintindi, so dapat mas gusto nila maintindihan base sa pagbigay mo ng video record.